Here we are at Max's Garage Mahal. Got another package in the mail today. We're going to do a quick unboxing here and see what all is in the box. And as you can see, we have over here the MASSFX SL106, and it's a 22 by 11 by 10 tire that's about to go on the old Raptor Super Sport 60-inch. So let's pop this box open here and see what else we've got to put on that thing. And like I said, we'll all see it together. UPS just left a few moments ago. The box wasn't going to fall open by itself, no, was it? Check all this crap out here. Look at this. Lord have mercy. Look here, we could even move. Look, we got a suitcase and everything to go here. Oh, mercy, look at all this stuff. Boy, stuff wasn't going to fall out of that box, was it? Alright, I'm going to throw some of this stuff on the floor if it's alright with y'all. Let's see what we have here. What do y'all think of that right there? How's that look to you? Look pretty good? Looks like a little Cragar SS wheel, doesn't it? How about that? Alright, let's make sure there's two of them in there. And there is. It's a good thing. I'd certainly be upset if there wasn't. I'm going to leave these on there while I'm putting the tires on. Now, something I don't see is lug nuts. I'm not going to be real happy about that if there's not any lug nuts in here. Alright. I'll pull this off long enough where you can see the rims. Put that back on there, like I said, for mounting the tires. Alrighty. Where's the other one at? Down here. Here we go. Alright, now that's what she's going to look like when I mount them suckers on the little old Hustler Raptor Super Sport. And we're probably going to do some of that mounting for you while we're at it. And of course, we always want to mention the people that helps us out. Mass Depot helped us out here with the MASSFX tires, and again, they're SL106 22 by 11 by 10. We'll be getting that sucker on the mower. Pair of those. And we also want to mention that we have, I think, one of the finest fuel cans in the country. It's a Fuel Works brand. And I mean, this thing is fast flow. You need to get this pointer into the hole and make sure it's in the hole with this depressed before you push this button. You push this button, it's going to empty that gallon and a half of gas in that hole just about 10-12 seconds. That is the fastest thing you've ever seen in your life. I kid you not. Great can. These people at Fuel Works do a fantastic job building those things. And again, Mass Depot helped us out with that. We appreciate them. And we're going to be using this tool right here to dismount the tires and wheels that's on it. And their Bizway batteries are the people that that helps us out with our battery line. As you just may have noticed, we just did the Craftsman review. When I purchase these things, I try to abuse them best I can. This little tool here, I'm also using the Bizway batteries on it, as well as on the Ryobi brand machine. One Bizway battery there. So just to make sure everyone gets a little credit here, we're going to have these beautiful 5-spoke Cragar SS wheels going on with the chrome valve stem covers. Of Going on to Mass Depot's MASSFX tires. The Lawnmower is going to be filled with the Fuel Works fuel can. And we'll set up here in a little bit. It is really hot. But we'll set up in a little while and we will put a canopy over the nose of our trailer so we can keep the sun off of us. Because we're going to mount these tires outside. So wish me well. And if I have a heat stroke, somebody come finish the job, would you? Alright, be right back with you. Alrighty, here we are, guys. Got one of them mounted. About to install it on the mower. Just got through taking off the old great big monster tire over here. And you all know this tire. It's the world land speed record holder for Hustler Raptors, big dog alphas. It is a AT 23-11-10. That's supposed to be 23-inch diameter, but it's actually more like 24 5/8 3/4. And it's supposed to be 10 inches wide. It's 9.5, just like the Grassmaster that came off of this Hustler Raptor Super Sport. And we're going back on with this MASSFX SL106 22x11x10, and it's also 9.5 inches wide. Now the point I'm making here is, a lot of you guys are saying, well, these tires are narrower than the tires that came on your Raptor SD. No, they are not. They're exactly the same width. The tread width is 9.5 inches, 9.5 inches, and it's 9.5 inches on the 20x12x10 Grassmasters. The relative width to height, always the taller something is, it can be the same width, it just looks narrower. So when you get down to that 20x12x10 Grassmaster, it looks really super wide. Same size or same width tire. So let's get this thing on here. We'll show it to you when you get it on the mower. Hang on, be right back. Now, boys and the girls, that is sexy right there. I don't care what you say. That is a good looking setup. Check that out. I like it, and I like it a lot. Y'all gonna have to get you some of that. Alright, we're gonna continue, get the next one put together, and then we'll come back and see what the old mower looks like when she's all on the ground and ready to go. Alrighty, there you go, boys and girls. One set of Cragar SS wheels, set of MASSFX tires. Aren't those things lovely? Hey, I just wanted to mention to you guys that those MASSFX tires will not come with painted letters such as these, because you have to paint them yourself. Anyway, put that paint on there so you'd be sure whenever I shoot a video that you can see what brand of tires those are and the size and such as that. And right there's the company. Can't beat them. Fantastic people to work with. Love them to death. Lindsay May, thank you for all the assistance in these videos. And be sure and get you one of these Fuel Works gas cans right here. These things, if your time is money and you're a professional, even if you're not a professional, you know, and you may have some. Look there, Mass Depot's clock tried to take off and exit the place, but it's still operating. Check it out. Man, their clocks are just as tough as their tires. Look at there. I mean, even the time's still right. Look at that. Alright, so what I painted those tires with is Art Mine's Now Rapid Multi-Surface. It's gloss acrylic paint, and the color is yellow. Anyway, and I use these this little spatula here, and I just ease it across the tire until it looked pretty good. And as I started to say about these fuel cans, if your time is money, make sure you get you one of these Fuel Works fuel cans, because these things will really help you get your gas in the tank in a hurry, and you won't have to be standing around waiting on it. And it's the Fuel Works stackable cans. They have them in a 1.5, a 2.5, and a 5 gallons for both gasoline and diesel. So we want to thank everyone once again, Mass Depot, Bizway Batteries for helping us put take the wheels and tires off and on, and Mass Depot, as always, we really appreciate it. Shane Smith up there is doing a great job of building that company, Lindsay May's doing a great job with marketing, and we appreciate everyone that works there in the plant with you guys. Thank you very much, and y'all come back and see us here at Max's Garage Mahal. You hear?